Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the brand new Bambu H2D, a 3D printer that goes beyond just printing. It can also cut, draw, and engrave. This machine comes with a dual nozzle setup for multi-material printing, a large build area, and a modular system that allows you to attach a blade, pen, or laser for added versatility. With up to a 40 watts laser, this printer is designed to take on Cricut, Glowforge, and other crafting machines, making it a true all-in-one tool for hobbyists and prosumers alike. So, it seems like this machine has it all for the $1,899 price tag. But the big question is, does it live up to its promises? Well, let's dive into a detailed review of these features and see whether this matches your style and needs. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and build. At first glance, the Bambu H2D looks like a professional-grade 3D printer with a sturdy enclosure that houses not just the printing components, but also a modular attachment system. The design is inspired by Bambu's original core XY-based printers, featuring a robotic gantry that moves swiftly on the X and Y axes while the build plate lowers for each layer. The dual nozzle system is a standout feature, allowing users to print with two different materials seamlessly without the hassle of manual filament changes. This setup is ideal for creating multi-material objects like a bicycle helmet with a strong carbon fiber PETG shell and a soft TPU interior for padding. The modular tool head is a game changer. Just like a KitchenAid stand mixer that can attach different tools, this printer can swap out its print head for a blade, pen, or laser, making it a multifunctional machine. Overall, the Bambu H2D's design is well thought out, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical engineering that caters to serious creators. Moving on to 3D printing performance, the Bambu H2D builds upon the success of Bambu's previous printers by offering a much larger print area, twice the volume of the X1 and P1 series. This means you can print bigger objects without having to split them into multiple parts. The printer supports high-temperature materials thanks to nozzles that reach up to 350 degrees Celsius, and an optional high-flow nozzle improves extrusion speed. A major highlight is the automatic material system, which supports multicolor and multi-material printing. The new AMS2 Pro and AMS HT even have built-in filament dryers, ensuring materials stay in prime condition by eliminating moisture absorption. This is crucial for materials like nylon and PETG, which can be ruined by humidity. The H2D also features autonomous vents and a 65 degrees Celsius heated chamber to prevent warping, making high-quality prints more reliable. While all these features sound great on paper, some users have reported that the printer's dual nozzle system still has some reliability issues. But as Bambu continues to refine its software and hardware, we expect improvements down the line. Now let's talk about the additional features that set this printer apart. Its laser engraving, blade cutting, and pen drawing functions. With the ability to attach a 10 or 40 watts laser, you can engrave and cut through wood, acrylic, cork, and even etch metal. We were able to create stencils, coasters, and even engrave Apple AirTags in our testing, but finding the right settings took some trial and error. The modular blade tool lets you cut through paper, vinyl, and thin plastics, making it a direct competitor to machines like Cricut. The pen attachment is handy for drawing schematics or logos, giving makers an extra creative tool. Another downside is that the laser operation leaves behind a noticeable burning smell, even with the fume extractor running at full power. Still, these added capabilities make the H2D one of the most versatile printers on the market. As for my final verdict, the Bambu H2D is a top-tier 3D printer that checks a lot of boxes. It offers a massive print area, dual nozzle printing, and a modular system that allows for cutting, engraving, and drawing, all in one machine. The build quality and design are impressive, and the AMS system with built-in filament drying is a big plus. But reliability concerns, early software limitations, and the need for hands-on laser operation might make some users hesitate. If you're a hobbyist or a small business looking for a versatile, all-in-one machine, this could be a great investment, especially if Bambu resolves its initial quirks. Let me know in the comments if this printer is on your wish list. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.